Hi friends, it's Loli. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is part of a collaboration hosted by Tammie from the Rusted Willow, Elizabeth from Rustic Chicks Designs, and co-hosted by Lisa from Lovens Life. The link to the channels and to the playlist will be in the description box below. Let's jump in to today's DIY. I used this sign that I got at my local thrift shop, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the little clips that come in the front. This used to be a picture frame, and I just went over and scraped off all the raised surface on there, so I had a nice smooth surface. Make sure to dust it right off, and I'm going to come in with some of this light well spackle from the DollarTree and make sure to cover up those holes really nicely. Once the spackle dried, I just sanded over the excess, making sure to leave the surface as level as possible. I vacuumed off my surface, making sure there's no dust, and I'm going to go ahead and paint it. But look at this, guys. Yeah, that's the back part of the brush. Yes, I did that. Once I figured it out, I cleaned my brush, and I'm going to go over and completely cover this surface with my white house paint and primer from Black & Decker. Then while that coat dried, I'm going to go ahead and use these jars that I got for free, pretty much. The leftovers from ragu sauces that I used for cooking. And I'm going to use just the jars, and I will not be using the covers. I'm going to put the covers to the side because I'm sure I can find something to do with them at some point in my crafting career. So I'm going to go over and use the celery paint from Waverly to go ahead and paint this glasses. First, I used a brush just to give the first coat, and then I'm going to come in using my paint dauber. Once they were all nice and dry, I placed them on my tray. We're going to call it a tray now. We turn it into a tray, and I'm going over and adding some floral moss to the entire bed of this tray. This, guys, was pretty much a game of Tetris. I don't know if you guys ever played that when you were a kid. I used to play it all the time, and it was so much fun. I just kept, fitting pieces here and there, making sure that those jars were nice and snug, and that I had all the surface covered so I can have the best surface for the next part of this project. Then I came in with some of these roses from the DollarTree. I used a total of 3 bunches of this one. I just cut the stems very short, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick them onto different spots. I'm trying to do a little pattern on here. So I started by putting the first one in the corner. They were a little bit wrinkly, so I was trying to get it nice and fluffed up. I added that. It's kind of behind the jar. You can see it, but it's in that corner of the jar. And I'm going to do this with different ones on there, just cutting the stems very, very short. And I added, I believe there were 6 flowers in this area. I put 3 there, trying to space them out evenly. And I'm going to come in later with other flowers, but for now I wanted to set the pattern on here. I love the tone that this roses had. It's like a nice, pastel pink, and it just screams, spring to me. I love this color. Guys, I'm going to take a quick moment to thank you for clicking on my channel and clicking on my video. I hope you truly enjoy it. Thank you again. It's kind of hard for you guys to see how I arrange them, so here we go. Here you can see exactly how that pattern went. I'm going to go ahead and follow the same pattern for the back of my arrangement. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and hit that like button. It truly helps my channel grow. And while you're at it, subscribe. It is free and it means the world to me. Here it is, so how it's looking so far. Then I'm going to go in and use some of these cream colored flowers or roses from the DollarTree as well. This came from Fall Collection, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm going to cut them into very short stems, and these are going to be going in between the pink flowers. Friends, as I mentioned earlier, this video is part of a collaboration, so make sure to go ahead and go to the description box below and click on that playlist link so you're able to enjoy all of the videos from all of the talented creators that are participating in this challenge. Quick question. The cream roses also went in a particular design, so here it is, how I distributed them. And I really love how these two colors play together. Let me know how you like it, and if you enjoy it, leave me a rose on the description box. Now I'm going to go ahead and embellish a bit more these jars. I'm going to take some of my hot glue and I'm going to wrap some of this jute cord from the DollarTree all the way up onto the jar. I did this for all 3 of these jars. And I made sure to go ahead and cinch the jute cord so it has a really nice finish. Then I took some of this hanging greenery from the DollarTree and I'm going to just go ahead and pull off the individual little pieces of it, and we are going to go ahead and stick them in between our roses like this. Here I'm just positioning them to see how they look, and then I'm going to come in with my hot glue gun and permanently secure them on my arrangement here. How you guys like how this green is such a vibrant green goes against this soft pink? Let me know what you think in the comments. I felt that the middle in between the jars felt a little bare, so I just put 2 pieces in between there as well. Now I'm coming in with some of these roses from the DollarTree as well. These are a little bit different from the previous ones, but I was working with what I had. I am trying to craft my stash, guys. I'm really trying. DollarTree addiction is real. It's real. We need a support group. Who's with me? Leave me a heart emoji in the comment if you're with me. I completely depleted my stash of cream color flowers. I'm proud of me for that, but I can't wait to go replenish it. All right, so now that the front is completely done, we are gonna go ahead and add some of the cream color roses to the ends of my arrangement, in between the pink and the ends as well. And now that this side is done, we're gonna turn it around and we're gonna add some of that greenery to this side as well. But first, I decided to rearrange the flowers a little bit to match the same as the other side. So I'm moving over the cream color flower from there. So I have 2 on each side. And I'm gonna come in with one of these and put it right in the middle there in between those 2 pink ones. And then I came in with the green hanging plants over here again. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing that I did with the other side. I'm just gonna put them in between the roses, making sure that they're hanging in the most natural way possible, attaching them with a little bit of a hot glue. Look at this so far, guys. Doesn't it look romantic? Wait and see for the next step, because you know already I'm not done yet. This is just one part of it. Wait to see what's coming next. There is nothing more romantic than a nice glistening candlelight, or in this case, fairy lights. I added a pack of fairy lights to each one of these jars, and you will see the way that I painted them, how it all glows. So I put 2 of those white ones in there, and I had one of these yellow ones, and I added that on there. Like I said, I am using my stash, guys. This is what I had, but I'm so glad. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at the texture that it gives it. It's just, I can imagine this piece on the bride and groom's table at a wedding. Let me know what you guys think. But you know already, I am not done yet. I took this pack of fairy lights, and first thing I did was hide that power bank in between those roses. I don't think you were able to see that part in the angle here in the camera. I really apologize for that. But what I did, I just, meandered the fairy lights in between the roses along the entire piece. And ta-da! Look how cute that looks, guys. That is in the light, and here it is in the dark. Look how pretty that is, guys. I am in love, in love, in love with this piece. Look at how delicate it is. At the same time, it's rustic. I don't know, guys. I'm proud of myself for this one. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Let me know in the comments. And if you recreate it, it will be awesome if you send me pictures. My friends, as always, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. If you want to follow me on social media, here are my links. And stay tuned for the playlist. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again, guys. Now go ahead and visit my friends on the description box. Click on the playlist. This is an awesome collaboration. Thank you so much again. Have an amazing day. Bye.